One of the main challenges for image enhancement used by most OEM manufacturers as a matte/HHD/KLA is a lack of stability for precision run. Here we have memory cell, and we could barely observe underlayer metal lines. It is quite possible to adjust EIQ and ensure sufficient and robust measurement at first runs. The problem started as we perform repeatable measurement on the same area for precision calculation. Regular EIQ by OEM with fixed parameters has disastrous effect on consecutive measurement. It happens due to high dose we are using for better acquisition at the first place. Charging of underlayer is so significant for consecutive runs that measurement system, due to deteriorated SNR, is not able to perform stable and robust measurement. Using our advanced deep learning denoising and restoration filtering, we are able to measure underlayer with improved precision, enabling stable process control. Right now, see-through solutions offered by vendors are mostly rely on energy or dose enhancement, means new equipment purchase. We are at Etrology could ensure same or better performance without tool upgrades, only through SW solutions, thus saving millions of dollars to our customers. Thank you for attention.